what is Forex and the futures markets? We're going to dive into that in this video. But before it gets started, I want to let you guys know that our Trading Academy is available to join right now. And if you want to save $400 off and join our free boot camp, click that link in the description, sign up for our boot camp, and then you'll also get access to that $400 off offer to join our Trading Academy, where we dive into becoming a trader, the mindset of a trader, and then we finish it off with the advanced trader course. Every course will have action steps and some homework for you to get hands-on experience, build muscle memory, and find your trading edge in the markets. So Forex and futures, while still being very similar, they are very different. So I want to quickly dive into that and just kind of show you examples of different instruments or pairs, you may hear them be called, that you're gonna trade in these type of markets. So let's start with Forex. Forex, I feel like, is a bigger topic. There's a lot of money flowing through Forex and everyone uses currency. So Forex is when you trade two different pairs together. So the biggest one would be the Euro USD. And I'm just going to zoom out to about the 4-hour chart, okay? What do we see here? Well, we see the candlestick representation of the Euro against the USD. So this would be the pair. EU, you may hear it as, or the Euro USD, or, you know, just the dollar versus the euro, whatever. They all mean the same thing. It's the pair. The symbol is EUR USD. So what are we seeing here? Well, on downtrends, so when market's going down, this means the US dollar is getting stronger over the euro. So right here, euro is going down, USD is going up, therefore this pair is going down. Once we break this trend and start going up, this is when we know the euro is now gaining strength against the dollar, and the dollar's going down, euro's going up, therefore this pair starts to trend up. Now, when you get into the future side, you're buying future contracts of an index. So the main one that we trade over here, you'll hear us talk about, is the S&P 500, specifically the E-mini, right? So on TradingView, it's ES1 exclamation. Now you may have delayed data, so you need to buy the lifetime data. But if you're just backtesting and practicing, delayed data is okay because you're going to be dealing with past price action. But what I want to show you is that there's still kind of a pair, although it's not an actual pair you're trading. If we add in just the DXY, which is the euro dollar currency index, and we do, you could see typically, now it's not always 100%. I'm going to zoom all the way out. Right there, you could get the point. So a loose rule would be, if you see the dollar going up, usually at the same time, you could see the E-mini S&P 500 go down. Now, without getting too technical, there's times when they work together and that hints at something. We do talk about that in the advanced trader course. So again, join our free boot camp and then you'll get access to $400 off our Trading Academy. Link below in the description if you want to dive deeper into what we talk about on this channel. So personally, in my trading career, I started with retirement accounts, and that's when I was buying shares and funds of the S&P 500 and other like indexes where they have a combination of companies, and then you buy into that, so you kind of get like their weighted averages of all those companies in your retirement account. So that's how I got started with trading, was my retirement account through work. Then I started getting into individual stocks. Then I learned about penny stocks. Then I learned about options. Then I went to Forex, found some success. Now my long-term accounts, they're growing great, but I wanted to, do active income. And that's when I went into like the penny stocks, options. And then Forex was kind of for me personally, there's more of a rhythm to the Forex market. And that's when I started learning the flow. And then I went back. Well, I started trading futures, but then I went back to my roots of the indexes where I was learning long-term investing. And now I could take my short-term knowledge and apply it to these indexes. So now I actively just trade the S&P 500, and then I invest, long-term in my retirement accounts. So reason why I do Forex over or futures over Forex is because I could stick with one currency and one, let's say, like the economic news that I follow is US news, right? And I follow the US currency. So for me, this I could just focus on one area, one market, and get in tune with it. Whereas Forex, I needed to keep track of the Euro news, the US news, what are the currencies doing, but also what are they not doing. And it was just a lot to put into my trade analysis. That's why I went to the futures market. So for me, I find the futures markets much easier to trade. But really, that's up to you to figure out what works best for you. A lot of people have success in the Forex markets and continue to trade Forex. If you're getting started in trading, or maybe you're just lost in trading in general and you want to start figuring out how to start finding success and what works for you, again, link down below. Join our 5-day free bootcamp. You'll start to learn price action, and then you can start to test that on different pairs and indexes and figure out which one is easier for you to see and negotiate when you're live trading. And then you also get access to a huge discount on our trading academy, which will dive in from the beginning, teaching you how to trade, how to control your emotions, your mind, all the mental stuff of trading. And then we end it with the advanced trading technique, so you could actually understand exactly what price is doing and the purpose of what it's doing, which will help you be in the know of almost predicting the future most of the time. You could get in on those consistent and profitable trades. So if that sounds something you're interested in, or you just want to take our free boot camp, click that link below. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, because we're going to keep releasing new tips every week. And these videos that we're going to be releasing going forward are like little bite-sized samples of our trading academy and what you could actually learn. So I just wanted to make this quick video to update you guys on the Forexation, what we're doing over here, and start getting you guys prepared and knowledgeable and a well-rounded trader, and breaking down the two markets we talk about the most, Forex and futures. So I hope this cleared this up a little bit. Last point I want to bring up is that trading themselves are a little bit different. So here you're going to be buying futures contracts. So you'll be buying a contract, 2, 3, 4. Whereas if you're going in the Forex market, you may see one lot size, 0.1 lot size, all that stuff, which is just a certain set of units for that pair. And you're either buying or selling it because you're selling it because you want the dollar to go up, or you're buying it because you want the euro to go up. So I'm logged into paper trading. I'm going to click on the order panel. So you can see these units are contracts. So I could buy 3 contracts or sell whatever, take profit, stop loss, right? So for example, let's just buy one real quick. We're kind of in that weird after hours period, so price isn't really going to move too much. So let's just close this out down now. Take that loss. Let's go back to that euro dollar now. And now you can see in here, you're buying a lot more quantity of this. So you could see to buy 10,000 units, every little pip is what they call it, versus ticks in the futures markets is $1. You can see right here, we're leveraging 1-to-1, gonna make $1. Our trade value is just under $11,000. So we could buy it. Oh, my stop loss is at 0.1, so of course it's gonna auto close. But you get the point. Again, if you want to dive deeper into this, our Trading Academy dives deeper into this. I just want to give you guys, get your feet wet. So if you're one that likes to dive in deep themselves and do that soul learning, I'm giving you that jump start, where to look, where to get started. And in the next video, we'll dive a little bit deeper into that and get you guys going forward and progressing the right way in your trading career. So I hope you found this helpful. See you in the next video.